Hey guys, if you're getting a connection error in Steam, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to share with you some ways you can fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do is head to an internet browser, and we're going to come to a website called steamstat.us. And what this website is going to do is it's going to make sure that Steam's actually up and running and not down for any maintenance. And as you can see here, everything's running as normal. But if there is ongoing maintenance to the servers, then it will be listed here. And you may just need to wait a couple hours in order for Steam to fix the issue. And the next thing we're going to do is come to the start menu, and you want to search for CMD. And just right click on this command prompt and make sure to run as administrator. Then inside of this black window, all you need to do is type in ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit enter. Then close off of this window, and then next we want to check our firewall settings by coming back into the start menu and searching for Windows Defender. Click on the Windows Defender icon and then select Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender firewall. We need to hit change settings in order for us to make changes to this page, and then scroll all the way down and you're looking for the Steam app. As you can see, I have Steam listed here, and you want to make sure both private and public are selected under Steam. If you don't have Steam listed here, for example, if I just remove this for a second, then we need to add Steam to this list by coming into Allow another app, and then selecting Browse, and you need to find the Steam executable file. If you're not sure where this is located, then to find it, simply come to the Start menu and search for Steam, and we can right-click this and select Open File Location, and you can just copy all of this text at the top here, and come back to this folder. And you can just paste this in and select enter. And then we can select the Steam app, click on add, and as you can see, Steam's now been added down here. And we just need to make sure both private and public are checked, and then hit OK. You then want to come back to your start menu and search for settings. Come into the settings tab, underneath network and internet. Scroll down until you find a section called proxy, and you want to make sure these settings are set to off. This setting here automatically detects settings. This one doesn't do too much. But you want to make sure that use setup script and use a proxy server are both set to off, and then we can come out of this window. Then the next thing we can do is to update our network drivers. Now luckily there's a free tool that we can use to do this. Simply head over to an internet browser, and you want to come to the website called drivereasy.com. Scroll all the way down this page until you come to the download section and hit the download button down here. Then once you've downloaded and installed the app, simply launch Driver Easy on your computer. Press this Scan Now button, and it's going to scan your computer for any outdated drivers. As you can see, all of my outdated drivers are listed here. And to update them, you simply just click this Update button and follow the steps on screen to update the outdated driver. We can also press this Update All button, but this is part of the paid plan. So I'd recommend just sticking to the free version and coming into each of them one by one. Next thing you want to do is come to the Start menu and search for Steam. And you want to right-click on the Steam app and select Open File Location. Then from here we can right-click on Steam and come into Properties. And first of all, let's come into the Compatibility tab, and you want to make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as Administrator is checked. And then we can come into the Shortcut tab. Now at the end of this target text here, you want to type in --TCP, and then we can just press Apply and Continue, and then press OK. And then double-click to launch the Steam app. And then the last and final thing we can do, guys, if it's still not working, which is guaranteed to fix your problem, is you want to come into your C drive, underneath Program Files x86. Scroll all the way down until you find the Steam folder. Come inside of the Steam folder, scroll down to find a folder called User Data and come inside there. And then you'll see a list of digits. Come inside of this folder, inside of Config, and you want to delete this file where it says localconfig.vdf. You want to right-click on this and select the trash icon to delete it. And just like that, that should now have fixed your connection problems. If you still are experiencing problems, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.